Greetings, everybody. Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you're in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, I came on here to do another um, press on nail video. I haven't done one in a while. So, I decided to show you this today. If you want just to jazz up your hands a little bit, maybe you have an event to go to, or you just want to do something different, this is a great idea. You can get these from the dollar store, Walmart, Target. A lot of different places carry them. So of course they come in different sizes. So we'll go ahead and show you the different sizes. Looks like those are the largest ones for the thumbs. And that looks like the next size. Let's see. These are different. Okay. Looks like those two are the same. And they normally have numbers in them. They do have numbers in them. Let me get my glasses. Depending on what brand you buy, some of them have numbers and some of them do not. So these do. I'm pretty sure I'm matching them up the right way though, but just to be on the safe side. You can usually kind of look at them and tell. Those are two different sizes. That's the same size as that one. And then we have that one. Okay. Oh, I see. They're in here. So yeah, they come in this little container and in this box. So this, oh, you can't see that. This one and that one go together, and this one and that one go together. And these two go together. Okay, so these thumbs, I can pretty much look at that and tell that's probably going to be too big for me. And that's the 0. So let's go ahead and see. Yep, that's way too big for my thumb. I don't know why I did that. So we'll put that in there. We'll put both of those in there. So those are too big for me. But this size, it fits. It's a little bit too big, but not really. It's fine. Because then I think this size, this is the number 3. So this is a 1. And these are a 3. Yeah, so the 3 would be too small. So what I need is the number 1, right? And in order to get these to last a long time, what I normally do is put glue on the nail itself, on the fake nail, and then on my actual nail, and then with the number facing up, I put them on and press it down. And that's it. So now we have the thumbnail done. And I forgot I have clear polish on my nails. So I'm going to take this polish off and I'll be back. All right. So I sorted through the nails that I'm going to use and I basically put them in order. So we'll get back to it. Glue and glue. The last time I did this, my nails lasted about 2 weeks. I was doing too much moving. So that's the first two. Okay, again, we're going to glue the nail, put glue on the nail. And glue on my nail. Oh, I forgot my thumb on the other hand. So that's what it's looking like so far. And we'll go ahead and do that again. Glue. Glue. Okay, and then my pinky. And as you can see, this really doesn't take long. So like I said, if you have somewhere to go and you just want a classy look, or you just feel like you want your nails done, and you're on a budget, or you don't have the time to go to the nail salon, this is a great way to get it done. Of course, they have other designs. You can get a plain color. You can get different shapes like coffin or square, depending on where you go. You may even be able to get stiletto. Now they do have like a little bit of a plastic piece kind of sticking out. So you can just go ahead and file that down, or even buff it. Some of these kits do come with a file. Usually you spend a little bit more for those though. This was $5. $5 and some change. But the ones that come with the glue and the, because I already had the glue, so I didn't need to do that. I just wanted the nails. So yeah, you can spend about $5 and get your nails done. Okay. So I'm gonna do the other side. I don't know if you want to watch me or not. I know some people like to watch stuff like that, but some people, I figure you pretty much have the gist of it once you see me do it one time. But maybe you want to see me do my other hand to see if I could keep that hand steady. So we'll just go ahead and stay on camera. I just got to get the other nail out of here for my thumb. I forgot. I don't know what I did. Oh, there it is. I guess we don't have to have them on display anymore. It was cute though. I think it's this one. Nope, that's a 3. I need the number 1. That's a 2. Maybe it's this one. That's a 0. That is also a 0. Here it is, the number 1. But like I said, they have different colors, different lengths, so you can choose whatever you like. They have the ones with rhinestones and stuff like that. Again, you can get them longer. You just want to, if you're going to an event, just make sure you glue them on pretty well. I don't know if you can see, but I'm being kind of generous with the glue, and I'm actually putting it on my whole nail because the more glue, you can see the shiny, and then in here, I don't know if you can see that. Again, the shiny part, but they last longer when you put more glue. That's what I know, because when I did this a couple months ago, it had to be at least a good 2 weeks, and I was like, oh my goodness, why are these like, I was surprised none of them popped off or anything. And I was doing, you know, dishes and all, taking showers. They did not pop off. So if you do it with a good amount of glue, you can get them to last a decent amount of time. And maybe this could be something that you treat yourself to. I know some people aren't into that. It is a little worldly depending on how you look at it. But, you know, at the same time, if you're wanting just like a classy look, like I said, it just shows that, you know, you're doing your best to take good care of yourself. Or at least have pride in yourself. Doesn't